everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is extra special because I just went shopping to grab some houseplants and they were clearance deals. I'll be sharing some of my rare indoor collection, but there's more to this video than just plant shopping. With everything going on in the world, especially during a recession and with federal workers being laid off, I'm going to talk to you about 7 proven benefits of indoor plants that might also just help you during these tough times. So grab a cup of tea or coffee and let's dive in. Okay, so I'm back home now with some awesome new plant finds. Let me show you my rare plant collection. I'm blessed to have such a few special plants that I absolutely adore. Now, let's take a moment to talk about the benefits of indoor plants, especially during these challenging times. Plants don't just look pretty, they're real. Scientifically proven benefits, particularly when things feel a little uncertain. Like today. Yes, 2025. It's crazy out there. Benefit number 1, plants help reduce stress and anxiety. Having plants in your home can improve your mood and help you feel more relaxed. Benefit number 2, plants purify the air. Many indoor plants act as a natural air filter, removing harmful toxins and releasing oxygen. It's a time where we're all spending more time indoors having clean, fresh air. It's so important. The weather is getting nicer, and yes, spring is right around the corner. I'm so excited we can get outdoors. Number 3, plants can increase productivity. So if you're still blessed to be working remotely right now or trying to get ahead with your side hustle, please remember that plants can help you stay on track. Benefit number 4, plants can help you sleep better. Yes, can you believe it? Certain plants like lavender and jasmine can help promote relaxation and improve sleep quality. So if you're struggling with sleepiness and sleepless nights during stressful times, and we are in stressful times, try placing a plant by your bed. Benefit number 5, plants are affordable. Happiness. Say it again, happiness. During this crazy recession, because we are in a recession, when money's tight, and I know it is very tight for a lot of people, you are in my prayers. Let's keep lifting each other and encouraging each other. It can feel like a challenging time, and it's really hard to bring joy into your life. But with houseplants, I've learned how it can create a peaceful, beautiful space without spending a ton of money. I have this stunning Thai constellation, and I've got a Monstera albo, some of my favorites. I'm also really into variegated. And finally, benefit number 7, plants provide a connection to nature. During uncertain times, it's easy to feel disconnected. Having plants in your home reminds me of the outdoors and helps foster a sense of calm grounding. You are in the present moment. I am so happy that I have these indoor plants. Do not know how much relaxing therapy that I have had, the joy and the peace of mind of taking care of all winter long. And now finally it's time to get our hands in the ground outdoors. This one is a Monstera. I got this on sale at Walmart like 6 months ago. And she's produced like 6 new leaves. This was actually $18 marked down $10. So that was a good clearance section. But no more shopping at Walmart. This is a Rio. So there you have it, 7 amazing benefits of indoor plants, especially during these difficult times, 2025. Whether you're looking for a mood boost, trying to improve your air quality, or just want to save money while sprucing up your space. You can see all the new growth. My Philadelphia Philodendron Brazil. I hope this video inspires you to add a few plants in your home or rescue some plants from a clearance sale, or even if you have extra plants, donate it to someone that you know that is going through a very tough time. A lot of federal workers have lost their jobs, and a plant would just, it doesn't make up for the loss of income or the uncertainties, but it, as I shared in the video, it will definitely help with the calmness and hopefully boost the mood. I keep each and every one of you in my prayers. Thanks for watching. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more plant-related content. I'll see you in my next video, which will be an outdoor gardening video. Yes, we have got to get those seeds in the ground. If you haven't already, I've already planted some seeds and they sprouted. With all the uncertainties, I had to make sure that my family has food in the ground. And of course, I garden year round. Roots in there. I'm hoping that another vine pops out before she dies off. But anyways, this was a cutting from a coworker. This is Hoya. She actually bloomed 2 months ago. She bloomed. As I shared, houseplants are such a great way to elevate your space. You don't need to spend a fortune to create an indoor jungle. Keep your eyes peeled for rare plants, but also look for ones that might need a little love. You can bring them back to life and watch them thrive, as you can see right here. This one, oh my gosh, I got it on clearance for $3. She was almost gone, but look at that. Look at all this new growth. I love it. I love the knowledge and the gifts and the talents that God has installed in me. My favorite, Mikan. My absolutely favorite. I've had these for about almost a year. Yeah, these are my favorite. They're gorgeous. So she's just a climbing. And then I've got some dragon tail right here. It's a dragon tail. Philodendron Florida bronze. Isn't she a beauty? I just love every plant in my collection, and they were all plant rescues. I love clearance shopping and saving money. Here's another dragon tail. Thanks for watching, and as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for more plant-related content. I'll see you in my next video, and it is going to be outdoors in the sun. It's spring, y'all. Let's start gardening. Let's plant those seeds. Love you guys. As always, stay loving, be kind, and stay healthy. I will see you in my next video. Blessings. Some fake. It might be too cold for basil, too cold for cucumbers, too cold for cilantro. Let me get my mustard greens, some more radishes, lettuce, and then I've got tons of seeds. These are zinnias and some oriental or Korean radishes and carrots and all that other stuff. But I think I'm going to do these today, and I'm going to have fun in the garden. Oh my goodness.